Today we make noodles. Now let's start taking apart. Let's pour some water. Now we need to cut onion and tomatoes. Okay guys, let's cut some tomatoes. I'm cutting some onions. Let's stir the noodles. Turn it well. It's cooking. Okay guys, look. Now we turn off the stove. Okay, let's transform it. Let's be careful because the noodles is so hot. Okay guys, let's grab the pan and then put it on the stove. And now let's on the stove. Be careful, it's hot. Let's add some oil. Tomatoes. Guys. Okay guys, let's mix it. Add some salt. Let's mix this. Be careful. Help of the spoon. Okay. Yes. And let's add some tomato ketchup. Let's mix this well. Some Maggi masala. Let's mix this. Add some little bit of water. Add the milk. Let's stir this. Let's add the noodles. Let's mix this. add some spring onions. Let's add the noodles into the bowl. So it's done.